Hey guys, welcome to Sweet Mouth Kitchen. Today we'll be making curried chicken, boiled green bananas, boiled dumplings, and soft yam. Let's go! So we've actually started to clean our chicken already. I'll add some water to finish washing it off and getting off some more of this fat underneath the skin. I actually checked and we have no vinegar, so I'll put some lemon juice instead to help and get rid of some of that rawness. Just finish cleaning off this fat. Then we'll cut up our chicken. So you can look right here in the sink, guys. That's the amount of fat that came off these 3 pieces of chicken. Even though I pre-cleaned it earlier before I started making the video, that's still a lot of fat. All right, so now that our chicken is washed, we'll actually start cutting it up. Nice pieces. We're gonna be currying, so that's good. And I'll wash. So let's wash it again. Wash it off. Get rid of any splinter that might come from chopping. And we can put it on the counter now to get seasoned. But first, there we go. So we have our flour, yam, banana. Over here we have some seasoning. And in this bowl here we have our chicken. We're gonna put some seasoning on it right now and take another look. That's what we're gonna prepare right here in our backyard in Texas. Yardman style. Let's start putting some seasoning on our chicken. I have some all-purpose here. I'm not going to be given any measurements. In Jamaica, we don't normally use measurements per se. You can read this one for yourself. That's what it says. I add some Old Bay, just a little bit. I like the taste. And this we brought from Jamaica. It's called Seasoned to the Bone. We don't have any empty containers, that's why it's still in this. Yes, we do it like that. I'm just gonna go in here and come up with a good bit. If you notice, I haven't put any salt. These seasonings normally have like a lot of salt inside of it. I'm not gonna be putting my hands in here today. I'll just use this to mix it in. And it's looking very pretty. And I'll go ahead and add in our curry. That's a good bit. It's a better packed curry straight from yard.
We will season to taste as we cook, guys.
That's what it's looking like. I'll cover for now. Let this marinate, light our fire, then chop our green seasoning. Don't want this curd to get burned, so I'm gonna get the chicken and I'll add it in. Looking so good. It's gonna be epic, guys. Wow, look at that. Nice. Hold this pot. Look at all that water it made. That is beautiful. That is looking awesome. Look at those colors. The steam so you guys can see it. There you have it. Looking real nice. That's enough gravy in there, so I'll take it off and we'll call it good. And I'll put on this water for the food. Off the fire. Looking real nice. Tastes so good right now. Wish you guys were here to taste it. Too bad you're far away. Pot is boiling up, so the flour we need it off camera. It's kind of getting late. It's getting dark here, so I'm gonna make these dumplings. So I make my dumplings. Make them round, and I just press and I get that round shape and I put it in the pot. My kids actually love dumplings. Around like this. Yep, I know, they're nice. Yeah man, my granny teach me to make dumpling. Wash it real quick. My yams, and I'll put the dumplings in the pot. So I actually learned this trick. Well, it's not a trick, but if you boil them in the skin, they'll come out in one piece most of the time. Let that boil up. There it is. I tried to finish before it got dark, but it got dark before I finished, so it looks real nice. We'll take it inside and we'll eat inside tonight. Nice. So here it is. It is done. Actually came inside. It got dark outside, as you guys saw when I was taking out the food pot. So now we're inside. We're about to put it on some plates and eat. And there it is, guys. And one doesn't want any chicken tonight again. Ariana, that is. She does have protein. She's just like that. Sometimes she doesn't like meat.